without a doubt. The most contentious stock on the whole stock market is Tesla. While some analysts predict that Tesla's stock will be valued a pitiful $17, others estimate it will be worth at least $3,000 by 2025. Elon Musk recently informed his staff that provided Tesla performs well, he would support ARK's $5,200 per share price estimate for the company. It is challenging to determine Tesla stock's true intrinsic value in light of all the controversies surrounding it. Pretty few videos on Tesla's business principles have been produced by our channel. I address every topic and viewpoint of Tesla. Will the price of Tesla shares reach $5,200 or is a drop inexorable? See more by watching this video through to the end. By the time this video ends, an intrinsic value estimate for Tesla shares will have been determined using forecasting data. This will contain every feature, both quantitative and qualitative, that will assist us investors in figuring out Tesla's true worth. In a perfect world, Tesla would increase the number of its cars in a flawless manner. In 2021, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas begin small-scale manufacturing, which they then increase in the ensuing years. The Tesla Roadster, Cybertruck, and Semi all begin small-scale manufacturing in 2024, which is also early in the company's production schedule. Production of the $25,000 Tesla also commences. Most crucially, in the best case scenario, full self-driving will be solved by 2023. When fully autonomous driving surpasses human capabilities, Tesla will probably be able to secure official clearance for a network of robo-taxis by 2025. Finally, Tesla Energy, superchargers, and insurance all have a global reach. Although it isn't produced until 2026, the Tesla bot prototype is also unveiled in 2022. This scenario, which I calculated to have a 1 in 5 probability of happening, will soon become crucial. The primary distinction in the bull scenario is that by 2025, fully autonomous vehicles will surpass human skills. Tesla might therefore never be able to secure official government permission for complete autonomy. Another distinction is that in contrast to the best case scenario, the Roadster and the $25,000 Tesla are 1 year behind schedule. Not included in this scenario, the Tesla bot prototype is also 1 year behind schedule, going into production by 2028 instead of 2027. Up to 2026, my valuation model will estimate every possibility that could arise for Tesla's operations. I calculated that there is a 25% chance that this bull scenario will materialize. Assuming the best case scenario, I predict that small scale production will begin in 2022 at Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. As a result, the anticipated 1 year delay in Tesla's production plan was also made. Additionally, this scenario anticipates that by 2026, Tesla's fully autonomous software would surpass human skills. I also calculated that electricity, superchargers, and Tesla insurance all increased at a typical rate. Another distinction in this scenario is that the Tesla bot prototype only entered production following the implementation of this valuation model with a projected release date of 2024. This base case has a 45% probability of occurring. Last but not least, the bear scenario is what all Tesla short sellers hope for. A severe battery shortage that pushes back Giga Berlin and Giga Texas production until 2023. This also has an impact on the production schedule, which is 1 year behind schedule in comparison to the base case. Since full self-driving technology still lags behind human capabilities, further advancements are also anticipated to occur very slowly. Because there is a current shortage of raw materials for Tesla's vehicles and batteries, Tesla insurance, superchargers, and energy also receive very little attention. In the bear scenario, the Tesla bot ultimately fails catastrophically and Tesla succeeds in producing a prototype by 2025. I calculated that there is a 25% possibility that the bear case will materialize. The majority of what we just discussed was qualitative. However, this spreadsheet asks for exact quantities in order to determine Tesla's intrinsic worth. I made estimates and calculations of Tesla's business potential going forward for each scenario. I started by projecting a broad range of vehicles sold in each scenario for vehicle deliveries. In the worst case scenario, Tesla's 2026 production capacity climbed by just 3.1 million vehicles. Compared to the ideal scenario in which Tesla delivered over 9 million vehicles by 2026, there is a significant difference. You can see how the growth rates trend lower over time. These delivery estimates are based on a range of growth rates which vary from case to case. This was carried out with the expectation that Tesla will find it more challenging to ramp up at a bigger scale of production. The car estimates you just saw were predicated on my estimations within each scenario of Tesla's anticipated production schedule for both new and current models. In an ideal world, by 2022, Model I production would have already peaked. The debut of the Cybertruck is expected to affect Tesla's growth from 2022 to 2024. By that same year, production of the $25,000 Tesla is expected to ramp up. For the bull case, I employed a similar trajectory, but I ramped up output more slowly overall. For instance, manufacturing on the Cybertruck started in 2021, but it took until 2025 to achieve its peak percentage. In addition, the $25,000 Tesla's ramp up was slower than the ideal cases. I believe that an even slower ramp up took place in the bear scenario. In the bull scenario, the bear scenario postulates that there was a severe battery shortage, which caused the expected rate of vehicle manufacturing to significantly slow down. I computed Tesla's average selling price per vehicle over time using the percentages we just discussed, and the trajectory of each scenario differed according to how quickly Tesla ramped up production of new vehicles. Fully autonomous driving was the following feature. We discussed at the beginning of this video that the predicted improvement rates for full self-driving varied depending on the circumstance. Over time, an estimated percentage of automobiles sold with FSD was derived from these qualitative criteria. In order to calculate the price of FSD over time, I additionally translated the advancements in FSD. In an ideal world, fully autonomous driving would be fully autonomous, which would drive the cost of FSD to $25,000 by 2026. However, in the bear scenario, FSD's price would only rise to $16,000 by 2026. I approximated Tesla's vehicle revenue through 2026 using the forecast we just saw. This is where Tesla insurance comes into play. All of Tesla's cars need to be insured. With its insurance offering, Tesla intends to rule the insurance market. Best in the world of insurance, data is essentially gold, and Tesla has the most data regarding its cars. Although it's only available in a few places right now, Tesla insurance is rapidly spreading around the country. This projection shows how well Tesla insurance has performed thus far. By projecting the proportion of Tesla vehicles that would be covered by insurance, we can determine the rate of growth in Tesla insurance. Next, I made a cautious estimate of Tesla's revenue per insured vehicle. The total revenue for Tesla insurance was then determined using these two estimates. Tesla Energy is the next important market for the company. The solar panel, solar roof, Megapack, and Tesla Powerwall are among the goods offered by Tesla Energy. After installation, the cost of the Tesla Powerwall battery system for residences is $10,500. For those who have solar panels and wish to store energy for brief periods of time, this is a popular product, the Tesla Motors Mega Pack is a larger Powerwall variant that is mostly utilized by utility corporations. It's said that these two products have been sold out for a long. Tesla promises to have the lowest price solar panels available in the market by matching competitors' prices. We are still in the early days of Tesla electricity. My revenue estimates therefore differed greatly from instance to case. In the best case scenario, Tesla Energy's yearly revenue in 2026 was $40 billion. The ability of supply chains to effectively ramp up manufacturing will ultimately determine how quickly Tesla Energy grows. There will be increased demand and price reductions in this industry if there is an adequate supply of raw materials and batteries. As we witnessed with the Model 3 ramp up, Tesla Energy would probably be set aside in the event of a shortage of raw materials. It is anticipated that the next segment's total growth will continue to be robust at its current price of about $900 per share. The stock is trading at roughly 16.5 times 2021 revenues and 155 times projected 2021 earnings. Additionally, the market value of Tesla is around 3 times that of Toyota, the current global leader in automobile manufacturing. What do you believe Tesla stock would reach its peak at? Tell us in the comments below.